Good morning. This is the continuing class of my topic tandoor and its cooking techniques. The next one is types of tandoor. The first one is square tandoor. Square tandoor is commonly used by all restaurants across the world in their kitchen. To make square tandoor, first stainless steel box is made and given smooth finish around edges. After the box is made, clay pot is installed inside the box and remaining space is covered with fiber blanket and thermal insulation to keep heat inside the clay pot. The second one is gas tandoor. Due to charcoal has some issues like irregular supplies, vendors, and requires special exhaust hood in the kitchen. Due to these factors, most restaurants users stopped using charcoal as fuel and shifted to gas tandoor. Also, there are so many restaurants which are using gas tandoor due to its pollution. Gas tandoors are similar to square tandoors and only difference is fuel, which is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Gas tandoors are fitted with burner and unique buffel plate which sits on burner to deflect flame of the burner to heat up clay pots. Next one is the clay tandoor. These tandoors are prepared by hand with the great care. The clay for the tandoor is available freely, but cautious approach should be taken when selecting the best clay for this purpose. In Asian countries like India, clay is sourced from special location and is cleaned and refined for making clay tandoors. Various additives are added like hay, hairs of goat and sheep in the mixture in order to give special strength and temperature ranging up to 1000 degrees centigrade can be seen in clay tandoors. The next one is catering or the drum tandoor. Clay pot is fitted in stainless steel or steel barrel in a plain design with SS strap tied round its top. Center and bottom are reinforcement. The pot inside the barrel is duly insulated with a thermal insulations, glass wool, rock salt and ceramic powder. A hole is there at the bottom of the drum to remove ashes. A wheel can also be attached to the bottom to move drum from one place to another. Generally handles are also provided for lifting, pushing and pulling. The last one is domestic or residential tandoor. These tandoors are very small and good for personal use. Due to its small size, tandoors can be taken anywhere. It is like another tandoors but are very small in size. After knowing different types of tandoor, one should understand what are the different types of marinations used in tandoori cooking. First of all, we should know what is the purpose of marination. The process of marination is to break down the tissues which allows more moisture and so far flavor is penetrate it. This results in a moisture and flavorful end product. There are two steps of marinating any kind of a tandoori product. First one, the first marination. This is the general marination which is done for breaking down the tissues or inserting the flavors inside of the product. In this marination, people generally use ginger garlic paste, vinegar or lemon juice, spicing agent and a coloring agent according to product. The coloring agent can be a red chili or turmeric or a saffron. The next one is the second marination, which is the final marination which gives the taste to the product. Some basic marinations are white marination, which consists of ginger garlic paste, green chili, chopped, hung yogurt, cashew nuts, finely chopped coriander, some cheese, lemon juice, black pepper, mustard oil, salt according to the taste. The next one is the red marination, which is loved by everyone, used in tandoori chicken also. The ingredients used in this marination are ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, hung yogurt, cashew nut paste, chopped coriander, lemon juice, red chili powder, kasuri methi, mustard oil, and salt according to taste. The one of the one more most important marination which is loved by everyone, that is a haryali marination. Powdered turmeric is added to that, and some dry mango powder, hung yogurt, coriander leaf paste, green chili paste, garam masala powder, cumin powder, salt according to taste, mint leaf paste, mustard oil, and some marination they also use spinach paste for giving a good color. There are so many equipments used in tandoor, but some important equipments are gadi. It is a flat surface in which beaten dough with the hand, which is basically a roti kept on this flat surface. Help. It is used for sticking the bread on the walls of tandoor. The next one is the seek. It is a skewer generally made of a iron or a stainless steel, used for cooking different types of meat chunks or vegetable products in the tandoor. The next one is the hooks. These hooks are generally used for taking out the sticked breads from wall of tandoor. There are so many products which are famous from tandoori cuisine. Normally, tandoor is known for the whole meat which is marinated, cooked in a slow fire and have a very strong flavor. There are some tikkas also famous from tandoori cuisine like chicken tikka, Haryali chicken tikka, boti kebabs are also there. One of the famous kebab of mutton is boti kebab, which is marinated left for a 5 to 6 hours, sometimes for 24 hours. Then it is cooked on a slow fire on tandoor. Ran is also there. It is a whole leg of a lamb which is marinated for at least 24 hours with the help of raw papaya paste and some other spicing and flavoring agent, then kept in tandoor in a slow fire. There are some vegetarian products also which are famous from the tandoor. These are like tandoori gobi musallam. It is basically a whole cauliflower which is marinated with yellow marination and cooked in the tandoor. Vegetable seek kebab. It is a mince of different types of vegetable along with some cheese and cottage cheese, which is turned into a mince and with the help of hands sticked into the skewers, then cooked on the tandoor on a slow fire.